Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to equip or use items on Roblox. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app or visit the Roblox website and log into your account. Then here, tap on your avatar or go to the avatar section. Then scroll through your items like hats, shirts, pants, and many more and tap to equip them. If the items turns blue or pops up on your avatar, it's equipped. And to use the gear items like sword or tools in game, join a game that allows them. And you'll find them in your inventory bar at the top of the screen during the gameplay. And some items only work in certain games, so you can't find it, the game might not support it. And that's how to equip and use Roblox items like a pro. Hit that like button if this video helped you and please subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.